القاعدة المكية. Today I am going to be starting a series on my channel where I will be going over the book that I use to learn Arabic from, القاعدة المكية. My teacher still uses this book to teach many other students, and now I am going to be trying to teach you Arabic from this book. On the right side, we will have the letters. Over here we have a, and if you scroll down, we'll have ba. The first column, the a, the letter will be at the beginning of the word. The second column, the letter will be in the middle of the word. And on the third column, the letter will be at the end of the word. A. أخذ. أخذ. سأل. سأل. ذرأ. ذرأ. As you can see again over here, on the first column, the ba is the first letter of the word. In the middle column, the ba is the second or the middle letter of the word. And on the third column, it is the last letter of the word. بدأ. 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 صبر. صبر. ذهب. ذهب. ترك. ترك. فتح. فتح. سكت. سكت. شجرة. 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 مثل. مثل. بعث. بعث. جمع. جمع. وجد. وجد. مرج. مرج. حمل. حمل. أحد. أحد. شرح. شرح. ختم. ختم. دخل. دخل. ونفخ. 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 In this video, we covered pages 9 and 10. In the next one, we will cover more pages.